Hello investors, welcome to Technically Speaking. Let's go over some of our ideas for the upcoming week. And remember, if you're a newer investor or trader, make sure to watch some of our educational videos in the description below.
With the PSEi rising to 6,550 early last week, it seems like the expected relief rally occurred before the market even hit our earlier target area of 6,350. 6,375 was the recent low. Nonetheless, the market is expected to stay within bear territory as the recent rise was not able to pierce through the earlier identified resistance of 6,550. Moreover, with prices once again falling and staying within the downtrend line of larger degree, we believe that the market will soon retest the 6,400 support area. We continue to take a bearish view on the market until such time that the index trades above the 6,550 resistance area. Only then will we consider a possible reversal in trend.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
our month-end trade recap report. For the month of June, we featured a total of 4 trade ideas. 2 of these became live for the month. We realized a slight gain on GT Cap, while we incurred a mark-to-market loss on Keeper. Nonetheless, Keeper remains a valid trade idea as our stop-loss trigger has not been hit. For the remaining 2 trade ideas, SM and MREIT prices have yet to hit their corresponding buy recommendations. Overall, our calls this month resulted to a 50% win rate, higher than our year-to-date average of 41%, further translating to a 0.08% loss versus the PSEi's minus 1.36% performance.
For information on our trade ideas, please make sure to check our Technically Speaking commentaries through email or our research portal. So that's all we have for this week's Technically Speaking. Please tune in next week for future market updates. Thanks everyone so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to see future content like this, and good luck trading this week.